Hey, welcome to the shop. My name is Eric. So I thought I'd tell you and show you what we have going on this week in the shop. So let's start here. We've got a Craftsman rototiller in for a service. I took the gas cap off and look at all the rust. So I'm not sure what we're going to do about that. Snowblower, it's galloping. Probably you guys have seen that before, where we just simply put a little hole in the top of the carburetor so that it breathes easier. But that one will be a quick fix. We've got a Ford New Holland TN60A that came in for hydraulic leaks, and the fittings, they just pounded on them so that they're wore right out. So we're going to have to replace the fittings on that loader control. We also fixed the bolts that hold this in place. Coming around the corner, we have got a white. It's looks like a Cub Cadet. It says White Supply is who sold it. It's the Kohler. It's Cub Cadet Camo. Have you ever seen one of those before? But that came in for a service. But here are some of the things I'm looking at. Number one, this must be his choke with a set of vice grips. This is his throttle. That's not even in where it belongs. So I'm not sure why he's got it stuck there. So that's going to take some work. We've got the Gravely that came in. We did a service on this, but oh, look at how bad the seat is. But that comes from keeping them outside and not taking care of them. They put this board in here to kind of give support on here. What it really needs is a new seat. All right, so this one's going to be a service. It's a 48-inch deck. We've got a Husqvarna that I picked up yesterday that is here for a complete service. You know, we're staying busy. But yeah, that's what we have out here. Let's go inside. Yeah, it's hard to believe it was 70 degrees the last couple of days, and then yesterday and today it's down in the 30s. All right, so what we got going on in here is we've got a Suzuki 400 series, and that came in. We had to replace the gear, the nut, and he also slapped the case. So we're going to try to DevCon the case, to keep that little bit of an oil leak from happening. This snowblower came in, and this CO was bad. I ordered, they were no longer available, and I ended up finding a Chinese company that I could buy 10 of them for what I was paying for one quite a number of years ago. That's what I mean by stuff goes to the point of where you can't get the parts anymore. They're no longer available. And the other complaint she had was the starter whining, which means we'll just tear that apart and clean it up. That's what's going on in here. We got a rototiller. This one here came in just for a service. It's got the Predator engine we put on it last year. Seems to be working good for our customer. Of course, we got Tractor Supply's 2 EFIs. We got this one ready to go back. That one needs more work. Blower, we ended up going through, giving it a complete service. We had to replace one of its sneakers with a new tire, because they had a tube in it and it blew right through the tube and tire. So we've got that. That's done. Yes, we do outboards too. Take a walk out into the shop. Get some lights on. So in the shop here, we've got the Kodiak. We put a new battery in it. I got an air filter on order. And we've got the Massey Ferguson 275 in, and he was thinking he needed a complete engine overhaul. And what it was this pipe here, the breather pipe, was melted right together and it wasn't allowing it to vent. And we've got it so it's venting good, but the exhaust, the muffler, is right full of oil from having it not able to vent. So it's going through the rings and it's coming out the exhaust. And we're looking at whether we to replace the muffler or just run her long and hard and get her hot. We got this Ford 8N. It's been a problem child since it came. It'll run today and then tomorrow it won't run again. So we're still trying to get the idea on that. But that kind of gives you an idea of what we have going on in the shop. We're staying busy. So what are you guys up to? Put it in the comments. On that note, we'll catch you later.